Guess where I'm going? I am actually going to the boat by myself to try to do a project. We will see how that goes. So my project is to try to get this sink out. And this caulking, I don't know what they thought here, but might have been some damage and they might have just covered it. Either way, we have a new sink and this caulking needs to come out because it doesn't look very good. So it's gonna be a project that's gonna take a little bit of time. It's pretty sticky, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Damage control on this countertop, especially in this corner right here. Pretty rotted, but yeah, we'll put some epoxy in there, get it all stiffened up, support it, and